his foot in Brer Fox's mouth one of these days.
You may get wet. So far. No. Oh, that's it. Right into the sun. We'll let you know this way. Alright, here we go. Woo! That was fun. Stay off my left. There's nobody in this car in front of us. That's good. There's nobody in that car in front of us. That's good. Working out quickly. Oh no! Shit! It's alright, my camera's fine. We'll drive. No, I knew that something was. Well, the sign was right. We got wet. Oh, was that on film? What? Sorry! Just like, don't do that. Hit my camera. You may get wet. It's guaranteed you're gonna get wet. I'm glad I didn't get my hair cut. We needed this. We need towels. I wanted to clean my glasses, but not right now. Alright, lose the happy music. Oh yeah, Tammy, your hair looks good. Scare us first. Alright, so far so good. So far so good. We're okay.
Pretty good. The weather is good. The fishing is fine. Oh, what do we do with all of our time? Well, we sit and think and wiggle our toes. That's what you ask us. That's what we know.
And they look so dry.
Pretty good shows your ball. Pretty good shows your ball. How do you do? Fine, how do you do?
Some great arrangements looking for a little bit. Johnny.
Moving along. Time to be moving along. I'm looking for a little more adventure. Easy to go. Leave me alone. I'm looking for a little more adventure. Time to be moving around. Hey, we're out there in no days. One of these days, one of us driving on the ways.
Glad to see you. Yeah, that's why you're so messed up. Never forget the program.
Just easy.
Sure it is. We're going to laugh now. Get ready. He's got rare remedy.
What are you doing, Red Fox? Let me go!
Oh, the guy is
We'll show you a laughing place. Time to turn around.
I don't know, Chris. I'm going to send you towards the bright light.
Well, Red, let's fix all this after skin.
Go ahead, Red Fox. Give me the eyes. Please don't give me that right patch.
Alrighty, here we go, boys and girls. I think I got it. Well, as usual, my lens is dirty. And my lens is wet.
Mine's dry. That's the only thing on me that's dry.
Alright, well, we'll just kind of go through this. It's not right at all. You know what, Chris? What am I going to tell you? Okay on that one though, right?
around commotion downstream. Please stay in your boats while we take care of things. Your visit to Splash Mountain will continue in just a bit.
Hey, you made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for sticking around. Please like the video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more great content. I have over 400 videos on the channel so far, and I upload on Mondays and Thursdays, so I ask that you please check back.